we're back again. Very hot in the shed still. Gotta imagine you're in the Everglades. This is Johnny B Goode. Okay, was made really, really famous by Chuck Berry, who wrote this song really about himself. Back again. Now really, really hot in the shed. But that's okay, because I'm going to imagine I'm in the Everglades. Okay, this song was written by Johnny B Goode. Really, really hot in the shed now, but it's okay. I've changed my frock again, and we're going to imagine now we're in the steamy hot Everglades in the southern states of America. And think about what life was like there for people like Chuck Berry. Now, Chuck Berry was the most amazing guitarist and singer-songwriter. You need to look him up on YouTube, check out his songs, but this song he made tremendously famous. It's sort of like what they call a biography and an autobiography, because he wrote it himself. He wrote his own songs. You could write your songs, you could write a song about your life, but this is a song about Chuck Berry's life. Chuck Berry had to work very hard to be a musician. It was very, very difficult in his time to be a successful musician. He was really poor. He came from a poor part of America. He struggled. And so this is the song he wrote about how he rose to fame. And I think, interestingly enough, his mum was in the background and she loved him to bits, and she was willing him on and she was wishing him success. And it's really good. You know, you can have success if you've got somebody cheering you on. It doesn't matter who it is. If there is someone that's believing in you, that makes life a bit easier. But if you haven't got someone that's cheering you on or believing, you can still give it your best shot, because if it's your dream in your heart, that dream will carry you through, okay? So, you need your ukulele. You need your C, your F and your G7, although in the songbook it does say a G, so for all you super clever guys that can play G chord, use a G chord instead. But otherwise we're going to be using C, F and G7. Make sure your ukulele is in tune. Now, I'm not going to show us our strings anymore, because I think this is about the 4th or 5th film, so you're going to know how to do this. Put your thumb on that top string here. Remember, G is next to me. G, C, E, A. Now, if it doesn't sound like that, then you need to go stop the video and go and get somebody to tune it for you. It should sound like this. G, C, E, A. Okay. Now, I want to show you a little trick before we actually play today. Okay. Now, when we do the performance at the very end together, you can join in with this if you want to. For those children that are really keen, there's a special way of playing C in this if you want it to sound really super special. Put your number 2 and your number 3 finger together and make squish. And now slide it up to your C chord sticker. Both together, both of those fingers. Can you hear that? Yeah, it's pretty. Squish to C. Now, if you're really good, you don't strum the C, you can play the squish and slide to C. And then strum. Did you hear that? It goes la la la. Okay? So it's strum, slide, strum. Stop the video, have a practice. Okay? And then we need to be able to do strum, slide, and we slide up to the 7th fret, no, the 6th fret, the 6th fret. A long afternoon. Okay, here we go. From 3 up to the 6th fret. Same slide. Can you see I am not taking my fingers off? I am just bumping over those chords up into the 6th fret. Okay, here we go. And again. Oh, that wasn't a very good one. Let's do that again. And you should be able to hear the slide up. So when we introduce the song, you're going to hear it go like this. 2, 1, 2, 3. go into the song. Okay. There are other fancy things you can do. Maybe I'll send those to the older children. Also, all the way through the song, if you want to play that start, you might prefer to play your C all the way through, like that, with those two fingers. Instead of C, like this, which is, it's fine. For this song, you might want to dirty it up a bit, and, you know, make it a little bit much more of an interesting chord. Okay? Instead of this. So, all of you that are doing the slide, you start deep down Louisiana closed, okay? So you're going to use that instead of C all the way through, but all the other chords are the same. Okay. So remember, guys, all you ambitious ones, when you see C, you might want to do your two-fingered special C, which is a bit like a C minor. Okay. Let me just think, have I got this on the right number? I think I need it on this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 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 C. And then C up to fret 6. And again. C, D. Squish to C. C to fret 6. Ready? Deep down Louisiana, close to New Orleans, way back up in the wood amongst the evergreens, there stood a log cabin made of earth and wood, where lived a country boy named Johnny B Goode, who never ever learned to read or write so well, but he could play the guitar just like ringing a bell. Oh, go, go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Well done. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Johnny B Goode. He used to carry his guitar in a gunny sack, go sit beneath the tree by the railroad track. Oh, the engineers would see him sitting in the shade, strumming to the rhythm that the drivers made. People passing by over would stop and say, oh, my little country boy can play. Oh, oh, now go, go, Johnny, go, go, go. 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 Johnny B Goode. His mama told him someday you will be a man, and you will be the leader of a big old band. Many people coming from miles around to hear him play his music as the sun goes down. Maybe someday his name will be in lights saying Johnny B Goode tonight. Whoa, whoa, now go, go, Johnny, go, go, go. 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 Johnny B Goode. And we're going to stop it there. Okay, well done. So I'm going to make it a little bit faster now, so that when you've practiced it, you can join in. Okay? Remember, I'm not going to be using the cards, and for those of you that want to, okay, we're going to use that 2 fingers to slide from squish to C. But you don't have to. You can just go C, D, D, C, C, C. Okay? Okay. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. little bit faster. Are you ready?
There's good luck every middle of our woodwork. Lived a country boy named Johnny B Goode, who never ever learned to read or write so well, but he could play the guitar just like ringing the bell. Ooh, go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go.
Okay, so once you've actually got that slidey bit, then you can just go as fast as you like. This is one of those songs that sounds really good the faster you go, okay, especially if you can get people joining in. Now I'm just about melting and I think it's time for me to have a nice Friday night treat. I'm going to do some more of these rock and roll songs next week. Have a wonderful weekend and lovely to see you again.